What if your AI just kept working while you were asleep? Not answering one more question, actually working, sending emails, organizing your stuff, getting things done without you touching anything. That used to sound made up. Now it's real, and it's called Gemini Spark. If you haven't heard about this yet, you need to because this is a genuinely different kind of AI tool than anything Google has released before. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's talk about what Gemini Spark actually is. Google announced this thing, and it's not just another version of the Gemini chatbot you already know. Up until now, the way Gemini worked was simple. You open it, you ask it something, you get an answer, you close the tab, and that's it. The second you stop talking to it, it stops doing anything. Spark breaks that completely. It runs on Google's own servers, not on your phone or your laptop. So you give it a task and it just keeps going. Even if your phone is locked, your laptop is off, or you're fast asleep. That's the difference between a chatbot and an actual agent, and it's a big one. Think about every AI tool you've used up until now. Every single one of them needed you to be there, typing, clicking, waiting for a response. Spark doesn't need any of that once you've handed it the job. Right now, it's in beta and it's only available to Google's top tier subscribers in the US, so it's still early. But what's already working is honestly impressive. There's three things that make Spark function, and once you get these three, you understand exactly why this is different from anything else out there. First, there's tasks. A task is a real multi-step goal, not a one-liner like write me a caption, something more like go through my inbox, find every email mentioning a deadline, and put it all into a doc for me. Spark takes that and runs with it from start to finish, searching the web, reading your files, updating your documents all on its own. Then you've got skills. This is where it gets really interesting. A skill is something you teach Spark once, and then it remembers and applies it every single time it's relevant. So picture this. You have it read through 50 of your old emails, figure out exactly how you write, and save that as a skill. From that point forward, anything it drafts for you sounds like you wrote it yourself. That's not just automation, that's automation that actually understands your voice and your style. And the third piece is schedules. This is what turns Spark from a tool you ask things into a system that just runs in the background on its own. You set a trigger either based on time or based on an event, and it kicks off automatically. So, for example, every Monday morning, it could scan your inbox, summarize everything that happened over the weekend, and block out time on your calendar for the important stuff. You don't lift a finger. It can also react to events, like if a flight gets delayed, it notifies you and updates your plans without you even asking. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now here's where it gets really practical. At launch, Spark already connects to Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, YouTube, and Maps. And on top of that, for an open standard that lets AI connect to outside tools, it's already hooked into things like Canva, OpenTable, and Instacart, with more big names like Adobe, Spotify, GitHub, Notion, and Slack confirmed to be coming later this year. So this thing isn't staying small. The list of what it can plug into is only going to keep growing. And there are some guardrails built in too. You can run up to 15 tasks at once, and it won't just keep stacking more on top of that. So it's not some unchecked system running wild in the background. Now, here's something that genuinely matters, and a lot of people miss when they talk about tools like this. You don't need to know how to code to use any of it. You just talk to it in plain English. You tell it every Friday at 5, check what files I edited this week and summarize the changes, and that's it. It figures out the rest. No technical setup, no prompt engineering background needed. That's a huge deal because for a long time, agent-based AI has felt like something only developers could actually use. Spark is built so a regular person can set this up in minutes. Now, I do want to be straight with you about a couple of things. Spark is still in beta, and Google has been upfront that it can make mistakes. There is also something called prompt injection that's worth knowing about, where a website or document can contain hidden instructions that try to trick the AI into doing something it shouldn't. Google's added safeguards for this, including moments where Spark actually pauses and asks you to step in before doing anything sensitive, like entering a password. So there's a safety net there, but you still want to keep an eye on it, especially early on while this thing is new. Also, right now it's US only for those top tier subscribers. There's no confirmed date yet for it to roll out wider, so if you're outside the US, you're watching what's coming rather than what you can used today. But here's the bigger picture. And this is the part I really want you to sit with. The old way of thinking about AI was it answers your questions. This is a completely different model. AI runs your actual workflows. You're not sitting there prompting it every 5 minutes. You're setting up systems, tasks, skills, schedules, and those systems just keep running for you around the clock, whether you're at your desk or not. That is a fundamentally different relationship with AI than what most people are used to. And the people who actually understand that shift early are going to get way more done than the people still treating AI like it's just a faster version of Google search. Picture the difference here for a second. One person spends their morning manually going through emails, manually checking their calendar, manually figuring out what needs attention. The other person wakes up and it's already been done for them overnight. That's not a small advantage. That's a completely different way of operating, and it's only going to become more common from here. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.